The other day, it's Halloween. My wife is the president of our beautification committee in our tiny town in Grova, the trunk or treat, and a child fell from a high distance and high height and hit his head. And 911 was called, and they said, "We don't have an ambulance for you." And so the family knew I was there, people ran and got me, and I went to the patient, and they looked at me and said, "What do we do?" And I said, "Get in your car and drive." And they had to drive 40 minutes to get to the nearest hospital. Every EMS, firstly, should have a doctor on their shoulder through telemedicine. That's something that can happen. So that when a first responder shows up, whether it's EMS or a police officer or a fire person, they all can have the aid of the physician. Secondly, EMS workers, how many people know this, but for the most part are contractors. And because of that, they don't even get health care themselves. People giving you health care don't get health care. It happens for home care as well. Home care attendants who are giving you health care don't get health care. That should be illegal. That is taking advantage of working people. If we change that, we'll make the professions that much more desirable, and we'll have more people to help